Hai khazan ita khuk tai bukhuk song tai jotono lam sogo Kokborok mik channel lo hai tini belai ke interesting ba helpful topic nor by share khlainya hnei o video clips no slam ka tai kha khlaio o video nor belai ke helpful ba sajagan hnei tai jodi no o video no norok saja ke tam khlainai norok sai mano like runa tapok di tai o channel lo subscribe khlaya khung ke o channel lo subscribe khlai ru will bell icon o sini all faike all o sini ru di tam ne ke jefru omti hai naithotok ba helpful video o channel lo upload khlajago afru no norok notification manan finding ke o video no cheng layan khazan ita khuk tai bukhuk song tini ni topic hingke how to successfully monetize your YouTube channel jodi no norok create khlai ba norok YouTube channel li malik ngi tongkhe monetization ni bagi bahai ke successfully monetize khlainai abo ni tini norok by sharing khlainai kha khlaio norok o video belai ke helpful ngjangnai YouTuber rok ba creator rok ngi tongnai tai amon bagi norok no request khlaina musungo o video no puilan simi paithak jora nai tongdi jodi no o video no puilan simi paithak jora nai hangke norok bujiglak so bujina hangke puilan simi paithak jora nai tongna nangnai so khazani ta khuktai bukhuk song norok ni YouTube channel ba norok creator ngui 1000 subscriber ba 4000 watch hour angke automatically YouTube monetization ni bagai review thangu so jodi no norok 1000 by 4000 watch hour complete angke monetization ni bagai bahike apply khlainai ba monetization automatically review thangke bomti ke successful ngai amoni tui norok no sanai so according to my experience han hai ani khani ba ani experience ni tui kok kisi sa norok by sharing khlayana monetization ni bagai apply khlaifu ani channel actually 3 time rejected angkha Oriskar ani channel 3 times rejected angkha monetization ni bagai because I am unexperienced ang saimaya so ano ke bo phurungnai bo khurui amon bagi 3 time rejected angkha monetization ni bagi apply khlaifuru first time ang apply khlaika reject ingfuru 28 days pending khlaiton kha second time hain hai 28 days ni pore apply khlaioka rejected singjau kha hain hai khajani ta khuktai bukhuk song hangke 30 days pending khlaiton jau kha so hain hai after 30 days I apply for monetization hain hai rejected ingjau kha pending 32 days toni tonjau kha pending hangke tamong mak laikha abo I was puzzle tamong mak laikha ang to saimai ang kuyang ke kisisa buini video korok naikha tamong mak laikha hangke aro ani monetization ni bagi apply khlaipuru ani YouTube channel ni ba ani channel ni videos kwbangma copyright content tongku so copyright content tongma bagi ang 3 times point apply khlaika haipuno reject angkha reject nangmani karon hangke khajani ta khuktai bukhuk song monetization ni bagi successful review na hangke norok no ang terms and conditions hawana according to my experience ang saima mamote aro monetization successful na hangke copyright video content tongkhe monetization ni bagi successful ngla tai jodi no nong ni robotic voice ba cartoon voice channel o amti hairok ngui tongkhe aboni tuibo monetization reject ngai manu tai kaisa hangke jodi no norong ni kuno content nijini krui mane self ba niji slamani krui buini mang hangke aboni tuibo monetization ni bagai reject ngai manu so amon bagai khajani ta khuktai bukhuk song YouTuber ba creator rok no sanamu sungo jodi no norong ni 1000 subscriber complete angkha 4000 watch hour complete angkha angke sawo complete angya sini like around 900 subscriber angma jorani simi 900 subscriber angmani jorani simi norong ni self video kisa create khlaidi tamni hingke create khlaya hangka buini mang video copyright amti haimang video hingke monetization ni bagui successful anglak ang sawo abo guaranteed abo anglak so jodi no norok monetization ni bagui successfully review first time o review successful khlaina hangka norok ni self video content slamdi tai norok ni video o copyright content tongke 900 subscriber ba 950 ingma jorani simino abo correction khlai copyright content video rok delete khlai rohor baidi so hangke hain hai monetization o review thang tongfru norok kisisa self video slamdi face cam bolte omtui hai ke slamaya funo blog video rok slamdi thangtini phaitini haino blog beraimani amti hai rok slamui nijini face no funukti sini ridi ang si YouTube channel ni malik amti hai condition tai ko amti haike slamke borok to nono identity sani apuno nung sabo saimana musungo aman bagi ajora norok blog hai mokhang rok ni channel honoi introduce khlaya puno nung kisa face cam rok video slamke automatically monetization bagi successful ngano ang guarantee ruwabo so copyright content tongke monetization bagi successful ngla tai robotic voice ba cartoon voice amti hairok mang bisi use khlaija khangke aboni trifuno by chance monetization bagi unsuccessful ngi mano amon bagi correction khlaidi jodi no norong ni YouTube channel ba subscriber 900 subscriber kawi tongke tabung ni simino correction khlait langdi copyright content rongno delete khlaidi clear ke tondi kuno copyright content kaisa puno video ta tondi tamni hingke monetization ni bagi problem ngi mano tai face cam mokhang rok phunuk di berai mani blog rok ko rok kisa mokhang phunugui rok blog video khlaidi amti rok batamo belai ke easy se so amti rok khlaike belai ke dotino successful ngai monetization ni bagi so what you should remember is that monetization automatically review thangna sekang 900 ni ajora subscriber jora ni simino kisa correction khlaidi tamo khlainai norok saimano copyright content no tamo abo norok saimano so copyright content ta tondi direct delete khlai ro hobai poriskar suja jotto clear ke tondi so robotic voice rok bo cartoon voice rok bo use ta khlaidi so kisa monetization no thangma jora okay face cam video khlaidi blog rok ko rok very easy abo rok khlaidi so monetization ni bagi koidin nangno abo no kisa sawano hardly it will take 10 days monetization ni bagi hardly 10 days nanai ani actually 8 days adin ni poreno ani monetization successful kha but it's a long journey 3 time rejected ni pore se 4 time ani monetization successful ngo tamni hingke ajorawo anu advice ronai krei ango siaba so according to my experience engte se ang abo saisung saimano so monetization ni bagai hardly it will take 10 days 7 to 8 days ni pore no haino automatically successful ngai jodi no norong ni problem krei hingke tamo problem hingke ang samani copyright content rok robotic voice cartoon voice amti hai rok krei hingke clear video hingke totally successful within 10 days maximum 10 days nanai so monetization will be clearly successful kaham ke successful ngai so khaklayo norok o video sajak na hanai jodi no o video norok helpful ba sajak tongkhe haino hai like rona tapok di tai o channel no subscribe khlaya khungke subscribe khlai bell icon no sinei all phaike olobo siniruti phaidingke tinin bagi asung nong situng jotono no Hambai.